everyone. So for now we will learn about discussion text. So what is discussion text? Discussion text is a written or spoken text which presents a problematic discourse. The problem is discussed from different viewpoints, namely the for and the against, the positive and negative, or the good and bad points. Discussion text is commonly found in philosophical, historic, and social texts. And the next is the generic structure of the discussion text. Discussion text has four generic structure that includes issue. Issue is the first paragraph of discussion text which tells the issue that will be discussed by giving statements and preview. The second is arguments pro. It contains supporting points or main ideas. We can also elaborate the supporting points by giving some elaboration to support the ideas. The third is arguments cons. Arguments cons, it contains contrasting points of different points of view. We can also elaborate the contrasting points or main ideas by giving some elaboration to support the contrasting points. And the last is conclusion or recommendation. It contains the writer's or speaker's recommendation of the discourse. Okay, next is the language feature. There is four language feature of discussion text. For the first one is the simple present tense, and then modal verbs, additive, constructive, causal connection, and the last is the thinking verbs. Simple present tense. Simple present tense examples used to denote repeat events or actions in sentence where actions or events take place repeatedly. The verb used in those sentences will take the simple present tense form. The example is I watch movies on Sundays. And then modal verbs. Modal verbs, the example like such as can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, or must. There is express possibility, probability, necessity, or obligation. They can be used in discussion text to indicate the level of certainty or commitment to a particular viewpoint. The example is parents should encourage their children to read more books. And now, additive, constructive, and causal connection. For the first one, using additional words or additive, and there is contradictory or constructive, and cause and effect relationships. There is causal relationships such as moreover, similarity, at hand, furthermore, but, however, etc. And the last is thinking verbs. These verbs describe mental process or cognitive actions such as thinking, believing, understanding, considering, or assuming. They can be employed in a discussion text to present the thought or opinion of the writer, experts, or other involved in the debate. The example like many believe that the government should invest more in renewable energy. Okay, now there is the example of the discussion text about should the death penalty be allowed. For the first paragraph, this is the issue, and the second paragraph is about the arguments pro, and the third is arguments cons, and the last is the conclusion or recommendation. And there is the language feature like although, however, while, and as well as. Okay, maybe that's all for me and the explanation about the discussion text. Thank you very much for watching my video.